In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a post on Instagram. So what you need to do once you're on Instagram is go to your profile in the bottom right hand corner, then go to the plus icon in the top right, and then click on post. From here, you can select a photo or a series of photos or even a reel. I'm just going to select this photo here of my DJI Osmo. Now we can go ahead and click next. And obviously you can customize your post however you want, but click next. You need to get to this window. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, then go to advanced settings. Here you can then click schedule this post. You can choose a date and time in the future to schedule it, then click done, and then mine is scheduling on this date and time. You can then click schedule and it's going to schedule that post. Now, if you go ahead and let that upload, after it's done so, if you go to the top right hand corner and you want to see it, you can scroll down to schedule content, and here is your content. You can either delete it or you can make it live right now by clicking the three dots and then choosing one of these options.